Backyard ambience. The brightest trends in outdoor lighting. Say farewell to bland monotony. Add colored filters to craft striking scenes and enhance your landscape's finest aspects. Perfect for evening gatherings. Small lights and hanging fixtures are not only attractive, but also very trendy. They enhance your home's curb appeal and add a layer of safety. Small lights like these can be hidden throughout plants and walkways to provide depth and serve as an understated accent. Inexpensive statement lights, like white and colored orbs, give your yard a sleek and refined appearance. Timeless style with lanterns, tried and true fixture with evolving design material to match any look. Environmentally friendly lighting. LED and solar-powered outdoor lighting options offer attractive and affordable lighting solutions. Now you can enjoy the outdoors even after sunset. To get installation options and outdoor project lighting estimates, contact Hackmann Lawn and Landscape now by visiting our website, www.hackmannlawn.com, or call 636-788-6647.